Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we have The Box by Fashionsta. So let's get into it and see what we've got. Noticed it, and this is the first time I mention it, but let me know below what you think of my new intro. Are the steel drums a bit much? It just had a summer vibe. Let's get out and have some fun thing going on, and I really liked it, but let me know below if you think it's too much. Okay, Fashionsta comes out monthly. It is a beauty box. It usually has 5 or 6 items in it, actually usually 6. Full-sized. It is $24.99 and I think well worth it. So this is the April box. Fashionsta is one of those boxes that comes at the end of the month, so we're usually showing it at the beginning of the next month. And when I open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. We have our paperwork, and it'll tell us everything we have on the back and the value, which this one has I think it says $149.95 value. I'll let you know for sure in a second when I get my glasses on. And when we open it up, that's what we have on the inside. Ooh, they've stayed very true to their white and black theme this month. In the realm of, there are a lot of boxes out there that are in this price range. I really like this one. I find it always to be worth the value. There are always items that I will use. It's a nice combination of skincare and makeup. I think the box just delivers. A great subscription box that gives us the opportunity to try new things. Okay, this month we have Bloom Out of the Ordinary. And that is what that looks like. And let's just dive right in and see what we have. We have The Green Company Reusable Cotton Rounds, 3.1 inch diameter. I have actually had these. And it seems like one of those things like, if you have them, do you need more? Yes. Because I have really tried to start replacing all of the cotton pads and all of the cotton balls that I use. I think the only thing I use cotton balls for anymore is taking nail polish off. I think I use cotton rounds for everything else, and I keep a large lingerie bag next to where I do my makeup, and when I'm done with one, I just chuck it in there, and when it starts getting full, I give them a wash. This actually comes with its own bag. I use a lingerie bag because it holds so many more, and so I can wait longer between having to wash them since I have so many. But when we take them out, there are a ton in here. Oh my goodness. This is like, wow. This is a mother load of rounds. Let me count them. 14. There are 14 of these nice rounds. They are mint green edged, and one side is a really soft velour look, and the other side, I hope this comes across, has more of a terry cloth look. 14 of them, and they're good sized. One of my favorite things to do with them is to remove my eye makeup before I do the rest of my face. They're great for that. For toner or essence, if you've put a little on and you want to give it a swipe. There are a million uses for these, and I love having them around. The paperwork says The Green Company, reusable makeup remover pads, $13.95. Be a conscious consumer and reduce your daily waste by swapping your makeup remover wipes for these green, eco-friendly, washable, reusable pads, 100% natural and vegan. I love that there are so many and that you get this nice bag in case you don't happen to have a bag to wash them in. Makes them so handy. That's what the bag looks like, by the way. It's a nice open mesh bag, and you can just pull the, ta-da! Reaching in next, I have Julep, When Pencil Met Gel. Well, that is intriguing. That is what the box looks like. It is an eyeliner. I wasn't sure if When Pencil Met Gel was going to be an eyeliner or a lip liner. And my color is, I don't know if we all got the same or not. Ooh, electric teal shimmer. How fun does that sound for summer? Look at this. That is what the pencil looks like. Look at that. Let's just, wow. That is fun. You know what? I'll use it. I'll use it. It is nice and creamy, and I love that it's not just black. I have been trying to add more colors to my liner, so I think it's a fantastic idea. The paperwork says Julep Pencil When Pencil Met Gel Eyeliner, $12 value. The perfect mix of pencil meets gel and a fun pop of color to add some blooming style to your spring and summer looks. Vegan and cruelty-free. And yes, I was right. This box does have a $149.95 value. All right, next out of the box, we have Ready, Set, Jet Beauty Baton, Sculpt and Shine, multi-use highlighter and contour complexion stick. And that is what that looks like. I think there were 3 different ones that you could have gotten any of them in your box. I saw the spoilers, and it's a dual-ended stick, and I think there was a cleansing one that you had like a cleanser and exfoliator, and then you had this one, which is the Sculpt and Shine, and I think there was a blush one. That is what it looks like when you take it out. This end says contour, and this end says highlighter. So, ooh, that is a darker contour color. I'm not sure if I should use this or not. What do you guys think? It's pretty dark. I do like a contour though. What the heck, we're going for it. Oh, it's really nice and creamy. That's what it looks like. Let's see how it blends out to see if I'm gonna be able to, because that's not a natural fit on face value. Oh yeah, it blends out so nicely. I think as a contour, I can make this work with a nice beauty blender. I think I can make it work. Okay, the other side is the highlighter, and that's what that side looks like. I'll put it right next to the contour. I went back and forth a few times because it's fairly subtle, but it's right here. And can you guys see the shine on it? It's got more shine in person than I feel like we're seeing on camera, but I like it. Let's see how it blends. I don't use cream highlighters as much as I use other cream products because for me, a highlighter is the last step. And at that point, I've almost got something on always that I don't want to lift. And I kind of feel like cream highlighters lift a little bit, whatever you've put underneath. But I will try this with a brush because I just told you guys the other day, I started using, actually I did it today. I have a new cream blush. It's the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. Is that what it is? I like it a lot. And I've started using it with a brush, and like I said, it has changed my life. Had no idea how much easier it was to just put on with a brush. It was eye-opening. Okay, this says Ready Set Jet Beauty Baton, $32. One stick, multiple benefits. This on-the-go multitasking stick has no rules with the interchangeable ends for a customizable experience. It is vegan and cruelty-free. Next out of the box, I have Soleil Miracle Protector Spray for use before heat application, so it must be for your hair. Protects the hair from heat damage. That is what that looks like. It's a little bit of a mess. It doesn't seem to have leaked down here, but up under this lid, it seems like it has leaked somewhere, so we'll have to check into that. But the paperwork says, let your hair shine, protector spray, $35. Helps strengthen and protect the hair from daily use of thermal tools. Builds strength and resilience and improves moisture and shine. Suitable for all hair types, cruelty-free. So all of the cosmetic products in this box are cruelty-free. It doesn't mention it for the cotton rounds, but I would think that would be cruelty-free. Well, I'm not going to take this lid off because I suspect when I do, I'll have a little bit of oil to deal with, but it's just a heat protector that lets your hair shine. So I will definitely be trying that. When they are an oil, I usually don't use it up here because I have such fine limp hair, but I do still use them. I just use it mid-shaft down and pull it through. Okay, next out of the box I have, it says Cleo Noir, and I believe this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. It's got a nice overlay on it, so let's take that off. So what do you guys think? I mean, $24.99, this is a good box. So far, I will try and or use everything in the box. It is a nice neutral palette. That is what it looks like. I love that it has the color that I always say I like a skin tone color to set my eyes after I put my primer on, and then your nice smoky look and some shine. I like it. Let's see what the paperwork says. Cleo Noir 4-shade eyeshadow palette, $32 value. $32 is pretty pricey for a 4-shade palette, although I will tell you they are big pans. Pigmented, blendable, full spectrum. Creamy, rich formula that stays put without the mess of excess fallout. Cruelty-free. Well, oh, it is very creamy. It doesn't have any names on it or any information on the back. I mean, we know nothing about this palette. We'll call that one cream. We'll call this one, ooh, chocolate. We'll call this pretty gold one. It looks maybe more bronze on my finger than gold. And then this last one, let's see. Ooh, it's like a shiny latte. Shiny latte. So we have these 4, and they all felt creamy. Let's see how they swatch. Uh-oh. Well, we'll do it here. Oh, that's pretty. The creamy latte is really creamy. I hope you guys see it's the second one over. It didn't blend out into nothingness. It stayed a nice creamy color. I will do the light one next so we can compare it to the brown one. You can almost, it's basically my skin tone. We should call it Kathrin. We'll change the name of that one to Kathrin. So we have our two, I did our two shimmers. This is the one we call Kathrin, and that is that nice brown. They are very nice neutral colors. I like that. I will definitely give it a try. I like that this one has a little bit more bronze to it than gold, so it's a little different than everything else we get. Pretty. And last in the box, we have the Lipstick and Liner Duo by Bellapierre. That is what that looks like. And on the back it says matte lipstick and lip liner in nude. I actually have on a fairly nude color today. This has become my new favorite nude. It came out of Ipsy. And I want to say that the name of the brand is About Face. It's the Halsey one, the brand that Halsey came out with. And the color is, wow, if I could come up with that, I would impress myself. I'm going to say Last Good Night. I'll let you know here if I'm right, which would be a minor miracle, but I think it might be Last Good Night. And this is what I like in a nude. You know, it's nude enough that if I wanted to go out right now, I don't look overly made up, but it gives me enough color because my lips have just pretty much faded into almost skin tone. So it has enough color that I don't look like I have concealer lips, but not so much color that I look like I'm trying too hard. Okay, anyway, back to this. I apparently opened the wrong end. Let's try again. More success at this end. We have the liner and the lipstick. Oh, the lipstick is pretty. It almost looks like it wanted to have a Chanel. It's plain on the front, but see how it's got the, yeah. And then the liner. So, Bellapierre Lipstick and Liner Duo, $25. Richly pigmented matte lipstick and coordinating lip liner formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed and jojoba, also cruelty-free. Oh, that is a nice nude. It's a little warmer than what I have on right now, but I bet it would go with it. It's a little lighter. Yeah, it's a little lighter than what I have on. But it did a great job lining. I like that. Let's see what the lipstick looks like with it. Oh, it's a very nice combination. That's what they look like together. What the heck? I'll go ahead and put it on over what I've got on. You really can't tell much of a difference. The one I just put on is just that skosh lighter, and it's got a little more of a warm tone than the one I had on. The thing I love about that Halsey one is it is a cool tone. But these are really nice, and I think they are usable nudes, which is always a treat because, like I said, when it's a concealer lip look, if it's a true nude, it's not great for me. So we got the Bellapierre liner and lipstick, the Cleo Noir eyeshadow palette, the Ready Set Jet Beauty Baton that had the contour and highlighter with it. We received this really pretty blue julep eyeliner. That will be fun to try. The Soleil Heat Styler, that's an oil. And the Green Company, we received 14 of these reusable cotton rounds, which I'm pretty excited about. We had a $149.95 value. It is $24.99. So let me know below, what do you think of the box? We didn't get any skincare this month. I personally have zero heartburn with that. You guys know I have super sensitive skin, and we receive so much skincare. There's always plenty to try, but because I have sensitive skin, there's, you know, there's so much I can't use. So we received a hair product, and then everything else we got was makeup, face color. I like that. All right, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.